Here we are with the 2000 Neon up on the ramps, ready to go. I got my gas tank straps here. I'm gonna see if I can get these things put on here because the old ones rotted off. Let's see what we can do here with this bad weather we're having here. Rain, cold, wind. Let's see what I can do here. All right, now I'm under the car. There's the first strap. Can't really see because it's dark, but right here. This one is about to go. It's not gone, it's about to go. So I'm gonna see what type of tools I need here. Spray some WD-40 on there first, and I'll see what I can do. Alright, here we are under the car after quite a bit of fighting, banging, and rust in my eyes. I've got the first new strap on. I've got the other one dangling there. All I gotta do is bolt it right there, and I'll be done. Unfortunately, it's now dark out. Yeah, so after dropping the tank, fighting with the rusted old straps, fighting with the rotten heat shield, the new straps are in and the tank is securely held up. I'm very proud of myself. Now it's just time to shimmy on out from under the car. All right. These here are these are the old straps right here. This is the one that was ripped in half. This one was about to rip off. Here's the package for the new one. Of course, made in China. Anyways, it's now dark. It is now dark. I'm going to clean up this mess and put the car off the ramps and take it for a test drive. Fun stuff.
In their last 5 games, and how about the Avalanche? The first regulation loss last night.